gonna put my seatbelt back on. We're driving to Orange County. It's closed. Okay. Good thing we came. Well, that sucks. I guess I gotta drive back home now. We're gonna go to the other one, but it's all across town. Yeah, we're definitely gonna stop for some wind chills. But I said I was gonna do it, so I'm gonna do it. Well, the trail was closed. We're in Orange County. Rain has stopped. So we're gonna go to Santa Clarita. As soon as I get service back, I'm gonna see how far it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be like an hour and 40 minutes, almost 2 hours. But I guess might as well. I already spent money fixing the car to go, so now it has to. Or else this video is for nothing. Bad luck, Andy. Bad luck, Andy. God damn, bro, I keep getting tailgated. And I have no sway bars on this, so it's even worse. Gotta look for a place to stop, god damn, bro. Go switch over there. Chingue su madre. Ya que, guys, tiempo de arruinar la dieta. Un wind chills. Andamos tristes que está cerrado. So, looking at the place over there, and it's 2-hour drive, 77 miles. I should be getting there at 8. It's 6:06 right now. See? From Orange County, gotta go back to LA where I came from, to Grover something. Well, we're gonna see how it goes. Está lloviendo, cabrón. No veo. Solo a mí se me ocurre ir a la montaña. Chat, I feel like a bitch if I put these all the way up like this. I feel like a bitch. So I gotta put it on the lowest setting. Yeah, I feel manly now. Or even control it manually. ¡Ah, su puta madre! Me asustó esa chingadera. ¡Woo! ¡Mi corazón! Ah, I got a heart attack. Damn. Alright, we're gonna control it manually. That's the only way a guy could do it. Damn, I still can't see shit, but it was worse in the morning. Are those people on scooters? Sleepy. We have 1 hour exactly. We're going 55 to 60 miles per hour. This is like driving in the sand or in the dirt. You can't see anything but the car's lights in front. ¿Cómo nos va acá? No veo nada. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move out this lane. I don't care. Bro, I don't know why cars always like either riding on my blind spot or tailgating me. It's always one or the other. I don't know what it is. They like hanging out behind right here, behind the rear wheel. All right, time to see if it's open. Better be open because I just spent 2 hours driving. My back is blown out. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh shit, it's not here. It's more in front, more enfrente. Brush Canyon. Rower Flats. A ver, chinga su madre, está cerrado. I'm gonna ask actually. Qué pinche coraje, está cerrado. All of them are closed. Casi me mato 4 o 5 veces manejando para que me digan que está cerrado. Man, the time and gas wasted. What now? Qué triste caso. This is gonna be my off-road. Thing was closed. We're gonna tear it up a little. Man, a whole bunch of cars are coming out. It's raining heavy. Heavy. Está lloviendo pesado. Mira, un rempálago. My wheels skid too. We're gonna have to groove them. Shut up. Thank you. I'm gonna go drift right now. Ooh. Scary. My turn. Damn, that was the slowest turn I've ever done. But I'm not trying to spin. No veo. Ok, ya veo. A su madre, mira esa agua. I feel bad for the people driving behind me because I don't have mud flaps and I feel like the water is just... Hey, that's where I broke down, right there. Look at us now. It never rains in LA. Shut up, bitch. Yes, it does. It's just now hitting. Oh my god. Look at all of this. Oh my god. We're gonna hit some water or okay. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's a lot of water. Oh shit. Ay, güey. No puedo ver, no puedo ver. Ah. Hey, la verdad, si no, it doesn't rain like this in LA. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh, car crash? Ay, wait. There's a lot of car crashes. I was about to cause one by looking at another car crash. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh shit, look at that. Bro, I gotta turn my fans on so water doesn't get in the motor a lot. To help it. Because I took this one to Azusa Canyon, I went over some water and the motor shut off. It's an electrical problem. I know the issue. Haven't fixed it yet. We'll fix it another day. Sorry for the yelling. I got excited. I don't go out much. I wonder if I'm making it worse with the fans. It's drying up the motor. You see, that's what it's for. It dries the motor. And the people said, they told me it was gonna get wet. And that's why the fans are there, to dry the motor. You hit two stones with one bird. Gosh, I'm so smart. I don't know how cars drive fast. I don't know how you don't feel your car hydroplaning. I see motherfuckers with the water going. With me, I start feeling the whole front end gliding over the water. That's how car crashes happen. HOV lane. We're gonna go in. Oh shit, no, there's a car coming in fast. We'll go after him. I don't want to get tailgated again. Are 12.5, so I can feel the water pushing back. Look at all the water splashing. Damn, look at that side over there. Should we do a U-turn and just... I wonder how deep it is. Kind of be down to do a U-turn and drive. Damn, traffic. I avoided traffic 2 times. One on the way over there, that there was a car crash. Oh shit. I see police lights. No?